Welcome to a very quick tutorial Tuesday, and in this episode I'm going to be showing you how to install RAM on your PC, more specifically on my Dell XPS 8930. I'm putting 16GB more RAM in this bad boy. Let's get it done now. Right, so we've got some more 8GB, two lots of 8GB RAM that I've got on the Amazon sale today, Prime Day. £23 for this 8GB crucial memory. It's DDR4, 2666 gigahertz UDIMS desktop. You know, it's good. That's what I've got in here already, so I'm matching it up. So what we're going to do is open it up on this Dell XPS. It's quite cool actually, because it's got this cool way of opening the side of the computer. If I show you here, there's a switch here. You pull that out, and then that side panel plops off, like so, and then you're into the side of the computer, which is very cool indeed. And then there's two other switches, one, if I show you, so there's two other switches, one there to unlock there and one there to unlock there, and then what you can do is unfold this. This is the power unit, and it just folds out that way so you can get to the side of the computer. So I'm going to do this here. Like so, and then we can get into the gubbins of the computer right here. So I'll just show you where this is going. This in here is the RAM. So I've got it in spot 1 and 3 at the moment, and it's going to go in 2 and 4 or alternative. You've got to leave a little bit of a space. Yeah, you've got to leave space in between the two RAM sections. So make sure you put it in 2 and 3, 2 and 4, or 1 and 3, and vice versa. So it's relatively easy. Each computer is different, so just make sure that you consult your manual. But in my particular computer, this is where I'm going to bang it in there now. So when we're unboxing this is the RAM. Just make sure you don't touch the gold bits there. Keep fingers on the sides and stuff, like you're handling a nice CD. You don't want to get fingerprints on it, do you? And then we're going to click it in there. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to light on its side to start with, and then we'll get a better angle on the camera as well. Right, so here are the RAM that's installed already. All you got to do is flick down these switches on the side here. Make sure they are flicked open. So we're going to put this one in first. We're going to get one RAM disc here, open it up. It's got the notch in there, so you can't really put it in the wrong way. Just make sure you line the notch up with the notch on the motherboard. Nice firm click down. So I can see the notch is on the right upper side, so it's going to go in like so. Make sure it's lined in either side, and then just give it a nice firm push down, and you'll hear the click. That means that it's in. Click that side, click that side, and that is RAM number 1 in. Then we'll do the same with the second one. Sorry again, make sure you got these switches. They're labelled white and black, so you know which ones. If you put in 16GB in 2 lots of 8, put them both in the white to start with, and then you put in more like I'm doing, put them both in the black. So they are labelled up nice and easy for you as well. Nice and carefully push it down, make sure it's centre, and then push down evenly. 2 clicks, and we've got 32GB of RAM in this here bad boy. So guys, that is it. Just a really quick video today. I put in RAM into your desktop PC. Don't be scared of making upgrades. I was an absolute total noob when it came to building PCs. I've bought a desktop which is like a basic one, and I'm slowly upgrading it as time goes on. So now we're up to 32 gigs of RAM. The next job is to swap out the Optane memory that Dell put in that for some reason, and HDD, and put an SSD in there to make it a lot more snappy. But it's working pretty well at the moment with external hard drive that I've got fitted. I need some more storage maybe on it. Then I might look at upgrading the graphics card as well, but it's got a 1050 Ti in there. So at the moment it's doing its job. It works Adobe Premiere really well. It works with After Effects as well. Maybe not quite as smoothly as After Effects. It's quite CPU intensive, that one, and GPU intensive. So maybe I need to upgrade the graphics card. But for the moment, Dell XPS 8930, fully recommend if you're looking to get into PCs rather than Macs, because I've made the switch and I'm not going back. It's so much more upgradable, so much more usable. Everybody sort of grew up using PCs of a certain age, and you can relate to them a little bit more. But yeah, I love my XPS, and I'm gonna slowly upgrade it. I'll keep you updated on upgrades as they're made. For now, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Catch you next time. Take it easy. Bye guys.